How can I stop a wage garnishment immediately? Wage garnishment can be financially devastating. When money is being taken directly out of your paycheck, it can feel like you're losing control over your finances. If you're in New Jersey and facing this situation, there are legal options that may help you put a stop to it right away. Wage garnishment in New Jersey typically begins after a creditor wins a judgment in court. Once the judgment is obtained, the creditor can get a court order that allows a portion of your wages to be withheld and paid directly to them. New Jersey law limits how much can be garnished, generally up to 10% of your income if you're the head of household, or 25% of disposable income if you're not. However, certain debts like child support and federal taxes may have different limits. If you've received notice of a wage garnishment, the law gives you the right to challenge it. You can request a hearing to contest the garnishment or argue that the amount being withheld is too high. You can also file for exemptions if you meet specific qualifications. Consulting with a lawyer may be important here to make sure your rights are fully protected. One of the most effective and immediate ways to stop wage garnishment is by filing for bankruptcy. Once you file, an automatic stay goes into effect. This legal protection requires creditors to stop all collection efforts, including wage garnishment. Whether you file Chapter 7 or Chapter 13, the garnishment must stop immediately upon filing. However, it's essential to know that not all debts are dischargeable, and filing for bankruptcy is a major decision that should be discussed with an attorney. Negotiating directly with the creditor is another potential solution. If you can reach an agreement or set up a payment plan, the creditor may agree to withdraw the garnishment. In some cases, paying the debt in full or settling it for a lesser amount may also stop the garnishment. An attorney can help guide these negotiations and ensure your interests are protected. Understanding how wage garnishment works is important. It doesn't happen overnight. After a judgment, the creditor must get a court order for garnishment. Your employer is then required to withhold a portion of your earnings and send it to the creditor. This continues until the debt is paid or the court orders it to stop. A law firm that handles these matters can assist in assessing your options and helping you act quickly to protect your paycheck. If you need to stop a wage garnishment immediately, filing for bankruptcy is often the fastest legal remedy. The automatic stay goes into effect as soon as the case is filed, forcing creditors to stop garnishing wages. If bankruptcy isn't right for you, contesting the garnishment in court or negotiating with the creditor could offer a resolution. Acting fast is essential, and working with a lawyer can help make sure your rights are not overlooked. Don't wait to take control of your financial future. For help with wage garnishment or other debt-related issues, contact Straffi and Straffi Attorneys at law at 732-341-3800. Visit their office at 670 Commons Way, Toms River, New Jersey, 08755 to speak with a trusted law firm.